Hey guys, welcome back to Gavin's Garage. Okay, today we got the all-new Yamaha 2200. This is the EF2200iS. The difference between this and the previous version, Yamaha added the CO sensor. That's to keep up with the new updates. Most generators have to have this new CO sensors. I think it kind of raises the price on generators, but it makes it safer because there's a lot of people that still don't understand that you have to run these generators outside, at least 15 to 20 feet away from your house, with the exhaust pointing away from your house. So with this new CO sensors, it will kind of keep some people safe if in case they forget that. Okay, we're gonna take a closer look at this generator. Quiet Technology, as usual, Yamahas and Hondas, they usually have real quiet generators. This one is RV ready, meaning it has the RV plug, your regular 120 volt, 15 amp plug, and a cigarette lighter style plug. And it's parallel ready. Okay guys, let's take a closer look at the Yamaha. What's new? First off is the new CO sensor. You can see it's located right here on the top right corner. Right below that, you have your parallel ports, which enables you to run two of these together. Remember, even though these generators have a 30 amp plug right here, you can only get 15 amp with one generator. Once you do the twin tech parallel plugs, then you can enable that 30 amp output for your 30 amp RV. Okay, guys? Just because it says 30 amp does not mean you will get 30 amp out of one generator. That's for the parallel. All right, you have your 120 volt, 15 amp plugs right here. That's your reset. Eco mode switch. And this is the 12 volt access I spoke about earlier. Okay, this is your output indicator. I wish they would have just put a output display. This is a new model. Let's get rid of this lights. You know, just put a full display. Hopefully Yamaha sees this and updates this to a full display. That would be nice. You know, currently to see your hours on this, you have to push this 3 times, and then this would blink for 1,000, and this would blink for 100. That's kind of dated. I wish they would update that. This does have boost mode, meaning that you hold this down for 3 seconds, the generator will ramp up, allows you to start larger loads. It will do that for 1 minute and then go back to the previous position. So if you had it on eco mode, it would go back to eco mode. Okay, got your ground lug right here. If you you'll see neutral floating, neutral floating. That means your ground and your neutral are separate. It's not bounded. So if you were going to use this with a surge protector, you'd have to use a bounding plug. When you see floating neutral, that's what that means. You have to use a bounding plug to allow you to use a surge. So all you guys, if you have this generator and you're trying to use some kind of surge protector, that's all it is. Okay, you have a floating neutral. Okay, you see this large opening for air. I want to show you guys something a little closer. Just because you see this large opening, take a closer look. It's just the first 2 on top, these 3 on the middle, on the edge. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 opening. All the rest of them are sealed. And you get to the bottom, there's some more openings on the bottom. Okay, so I hear everyone saying, oh, large opening for air. It's sealed. That keeps the generator quiet. They just want enough for air. That's it. Just the bottom and the top. The whole thing is not open. So don't think it's all open. It looks nice. You got your pull start, manual choke on this model. Here's your fuel valve, on, off. Okay. Spark arrestor allows you to run this in the park. You have to have a spark arrestor to run this generator in the park. You got the exhaust bag here, the muffler, and another outlet for air. Okay, fuel tank. You have a 1.24 gallon tank. This is significantly larger than the Honda. So it's going to give you 10.5 hours at 25%. Okay, I prefer the no tool access. It's not deal breaker, but I guess you can switch it back to the no tool access, but this one has the screws. You have this nice rubber grommet right here to kind of keep that gas from falling on your generator. And Yamaha does have a fuel gauge. It's an annual analog fuel gauge, but they do have a fuel gauge. Yamaha does come with a generator drain. This is nice. You can run the generator out of fuel, but I think this is nice right here. If you store the generator, get all that gas out of the carburetor. You just get this off right here. There's a little valve inside. You would open it up. The fuel would drain. You'd close it back. Then there's no gas in the carburetor, so it won't get gummed up. If you are carrying this by yourself, you can hold right here. Real nice to carry it. It's not that heavy. But these two right here, if you have someone helping you, one can grab on this side, one can grab on that side to carry the generator with ease. The dry weight for this generator is 55 pounds, so it is heavier than the Honda. The Honda comes in at 47, but it's not that much, but it does. You do feel the weight, 55.2 pounds. Okay guys, let's take a closer look inside the Yamaha. As you can see, this is a real compact generator. They got the gas tank kind of coming down. That's how they got that extra 1.2 gallons. You can see it takes up majority of the front. You have your inverter right here, air filter, carburetor, spark plug access right on the top. Actually, you're gonna have to go take this off to get to your spark plug because it's really tight right here. Okay, and this is where you put your oil, and that's the valve I was showing you from the outside. This is what it looks like. So pretty much it's just connected to your you can see it right here. It's just connected to the bottom of your carburetor, and you get to drain your carburetor. Real smart design. That's my favorite feature on this generator. All right, let's take the generator outside and we'll do a dB test. Yamaha 2200. It's in eco mode right now. Let's go ahead and step back 23 feet. Right about 20 to 23 feet and see what it sounds like. We're on eco mode. You're getting right about 54.9 on eco mode. Let's go ahead and take it off eco mode. Let's go back to the same spot. About 58.1. Guys, don't forget, if you like videos like this, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up and push that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. And we'll keep making videos like this so you can kind of get an overview of the generators. If you're looking to buy a generator, it kind of helps you out make that decision.